Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So, in the previous video, we started with exercise 1 of lesson number 3, and in today's video, we'll continue with exercise number 2. So, let's begin. Bismillah. So, exercise 2 over here it is written Iqra waktub. Iqra waktub. Iqra means read, wa means and kataba means write. Ikra waktub means read and write. So as you could see the statements here, they do not have any harakat on them, right? So this is for us to do the reading practice and writing practice of the statements without having any harakat on them. So we will read them, we will rewrite them, and we will translate them in English for our understanding. Okay. So first statement here is Al-Maktabu Maksurun. Al-Maktabu means the desk. Al-Maktabu means the desk. And Maksurun means broken. Al-Maktabu Maksurun means the desk is broken. Okay. So let me write over here. Al-Maktabu Maksurun, meaning the desk is broken. Al-Maktabu Maksurun, the desk is broken. Second statement, Al-Mudarrisu Jadidun. Al-Mudarrisu Jadidun. Al-Mudarrisu means the teacher. Jadidun means new. Al-Mudarrisu Jadidun. Al-Mudarrisu Jadidun, meaning the teacher is new. Okay, so let me write over here. Al-Mudarrisu Jadidun, meaning the teacher is new. Al-Mudarrisu Jadidun, the teacher is new. Third statement, Al-Qamisu Wasiqun. Al-Qamisu Wasiqun. Al-Qamisu means the shirt. Wasiqun means dirty. Wasiqun means dirty. Al-Qamisu Wasiqun means the shirt is dirty. Okay. Al-Qamisu Wasiqun, meaning the shirt is dirty. Okay. Fourth statement, Al-Labanu Baridun. Al-Labanu Baridun. Al-Labanu means the milk. Al-Labanu means the milk. Baridun means cold. Baridun means cold. Al-Labanu Baridun. Al-Labanu Baridun, meaning the milk is cold. Okay. Al-Labanu Baridun, meaning the milk is cold. Okay. Fifth statement, Al-Masjidu Maftuhun. Al-Masjidu Maftuhun. Al-Masjidu means the masjid or mosque. Maftuhun means open. Al-Masjidu Maftuhun, meaning the masjid is open. masjidu maftuhun, meaning the masjid is open. Al-masjidu maftuhun, meaning the masjid is open. Sixth statement. Al-hajaru kabirun. Al-hajaru kabirun. Al-hajaru means the stone. Kabirun means big. Kabirun means big. Al-hajaru kabirun means the stone is big. Al-hajaru kabirun means the stone is big. Okay. Al-hajaru kabirun, meaning the stone is big. Okay. Next statement. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun. Al-labanu means the milk. Baridun means cold. Al-labanu baridun. Al-labanu baridun, meaning the milk is cold. Wal ma'u harun. Wa means and. Al ma'u means the water. Harun means hot. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun. The milk is cold and the water is hot. Okay, so let me write over here. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun, meaning the milk is cold and the water is hot. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun. The milk is cold and the water is hot. Next statement. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu, it means the engineer. Al-muhandisu means the engineer. Jalisun means sitting. Al-muhandisu jalisun means the engineer is sitting. Wal mudarrisu. Wal mudarrisu. Wa means and. Al-mudarrisu means the teacher and waqifun means standing. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. The engineer is sitting and the teacher is standing. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. The engineer is sitting and the teacher is standing. Okay. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun, meaning the engineer is sitting and the teacher is standing. Next statement. Al-qamaru ba'idun. Al-qamaru ba'idun. Al-qamaru means the moon. Al-qamaru means the moon. Ba'idun means far. Ba'idun means far. Al-qamaru ba'idun means the moon is far. Okay. Al-qamaru ba'idun means the moon is far. Last statement. Al-mindilu nazifun. Al-mindilu nazifun. Al-mindilu means the handkerchief. Al-mindilu means the handkerchief. Nazifun means clean. Al-mindilu nazifun means the handkerchief is clean. Al-mindilu nazifun means the handkerchief is clean. Okay. Al-mindilu nazifun. Al-mindilu nazifun means the handkerchief is clean. Now let's revise all the statements we covered in exercise 2, which is Iqra waktub, read and write. First statement is Al-maktabu maksurun. Al-maktabu maksurun, meaning the desk is broken. Al-maktabu maksurun, the desk is broken. Second statement, Al-mudarrisu jadidun. Al-mudarrisu jadidun. Al-mudarrisu jadidun, meaning the teacher is new. Al-mudarrisu jadidun, the teacher is new. Third statement, Al-qamisu wasiqun. Al-qamisu wasiqun, meaning the shirt is dirty. Al-qamisu wasiqun means the shirt is dirty. Fourth statement, Al-labanu baridun. Al-labanu baridun, meaning the milk is cold. Al-labanu baridun, the milk is cold. Fifth statement, Al-masjidu maftuhun. Al-masjidu maftuhun, meaning the masjid or the mosque is open. Al-masjidu maftuhun, the masjid is open. Next statement, Al-hajaru kabirun. Al-hajaru kabirun, meaning the stone is big. Al-hajaru kabirun means the stone is big. Next statement, Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun. Al-labanu baridun means the milk is cold. Al-labanu baridun means the milk is cold. Wal ma'u harun means and the water is hot. Wal ma'u harun means and the water is hot. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun. Al-labanu baridun wal ma'u harun, meaning the milk is cold and the water is hot. Next statement, Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu jalisun wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu jalisun means the engineer is sitting. Al-muhandisu jalisun means the engineer is sitting. Wal mudarrisu waqifun means and the teacher is standing. Wal mudarrisu waqifun means and the teacher is standing. Al muhandisu jalisun means the engineer is sitting. Wal mudarrisu waqifun means and the teacher is standing. المهندس جالس والمدرس واقف. The engineer is sitting and the teacher is standing. Next statement. القمر بعيد. القمر بعيد, meaning the moon is far. القمر بعيد means the moon is far. Last statement. المنديل نظيف. المنديل نظيف, meaning the handkerchief is clean. المنديل نظيف means the handkerchief is clean. So that's it for today's session. In the next video, inshallah, we'll continue with exercise number 3. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.